Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes.
Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Mock Test 6, focusing on our common bond. You'll be answering 20 questions to test your knowledge. Check mark you must answer all 5 Australian values questions correctly. Check mark you need to score at least 75% overall to pass. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. How many points does the Commonwealth star on the Australian national flag have? A. 5. B. 7. C. 6. The correct answer is 7. Who can perform a welcome to country? A. Anyone in the community. B. Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander custodian of the local region. C. Government officials. The correct answer is Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander custodian of the local region. When did Aboriginal peoples arrive in Australia according to the archaeological record? A. Between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. B. Between 10,000 and 5,000 years ago. C. Between 100,000 and 75,000 years ago. The correct answer is between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. Which event led to people from around the world coming to Australia in 1851? A. The establishment of the Commonwealth. B. The Gold Rush. C. The arrival of the First Fleet. The correct answer is the Gold Rush. What is the purpose of an acknowledgement of country? A. To celebrate national holidays. B. To show respect for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. C. To announce government policies. The correct answer is to show respect for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. What must be obeyed even while engaging in freedom of speech and association? A. Personal beliefs. B. Religious rules. C. Australian laws. The correct answer is Australian laws. What does freedom of religion mean in Australia? A. You must follow a religion. B. You can follow any religion or no religion at all. C. Only Christians have freedom of religion. The correct answer is you can follow any religion or no religion at all. What is the role of the government in relation to religion in Australia? A. To promote one national religion. B. To operate separately from churches or religious entities. C. To control religious practices. The correct answer is to operate separately from churches or religious entities. What happens if there is a conflict between an Australian law and a religious practice? A. The religious practice prevails. B. Australian law prevails. C. It depends on the religion. The correct answer is Australian law prevails. What ensures that individuals are not treated differently because of gender, race, disability, or age? A. Personal beliefs. B. Australian laws. C. Community rules. The correct answer is Australian laws. Why is it important for citizens to communicate with their elected representatives? A. It allows citizens to influence laws and policies. B. It ensures representatives only act on their own opinions. C. It prevents government officials from making decisions. The correct answer is it allows citizens to influence laws and policies. What should an elected representative do if a citizen suggests changing a law? A. Consider the suggestion and evaluate its importance. B. Ignore the suggestion. C. Change the law immediately without discussion. The correct answer is consider the suggestion and evaluate its importance. What is one way Australians can participate in democracy outside of voting? A. By raising issues with their elected representatives. B. By refusing to follow government decisions. C. By avoiding engagement with government policies. The correct answer is by raising issues with their elected representatives. Who can Australian citizens contact to share their views on laws and policies? A. Their elected representatives. B. The police. C. Only the Prime Minister. The correct answer is their elected representatives. What was Australia made up of before 1901? A. 6 separate, self-governing British colonies. B. Independent states. C. A single unified nation. The correct answer is 6 separate, self-governing British colonies. What type of government system does Australia have? A. Monarchy. B. Parliamentary democracy. C. Dictatorship. The correct answer is parliamentary democracy. Who determines the laws in Australia? A. The Prime Minister alone. B. Parliaments elected by the people. C. The Governor-General. The correct answer is parliaments elected by the people. What does voting in Australia represent? A. A personal choice with no legal obligation. B. A fundamental responsibility of Australian citizens. C. An optional activity that has no impact on governance. The correct answer is a fundamental responsibility of Australian citizens. Where does the power of the Australian government come from? A. The Australian people. B. The Prime Minister. C. The military. The correct answer is the Australian people. Why is voting compulsory in Australia? A. To ensure all voices are heard in a democracy. B. To increase government control over citizens. C. To make elections more difficult. The correct answer is to ensure all voices are heard in a democracy.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.